Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the grammar portion in which we were discussing the chapter number 4, that is the adjective, the describing word. Dear students, in this chapter I have already taught you the definition of adjective, features of adjective, kinds of adjective, degree of comparison, synonyms, antonyms, and we were doing the question exercises given in the book at the page number 19. I have also completed the exercise number first in the previous class. Today we will discuss the exercise number second, which is given at the page number 20. So students, just open the page number 20 of your English grammar book, exercise number second. And what is there in the exercise number second? Fill in the blanks with the suitable adjective. Here students, in the blank you have to fill the suitable adjective. Okay, that is filling the blanks. Okay students, just open the page number 20 of your English grammar book and put out the pencil. Now we will do the exercise number second. Okay, just see exercise number second of your chapter number 4. What is there? Here we have to fill the suitable adjective, and just see here, first blank is given here. House is yours. House is yours. This is your question given in your book. Okay, and in the last there is full stop. There is question mark. Okay students, while teaching the kinds, I have already told you where there you find in the end of the sentence the question mark, you should understand that that is a question. Okay, here what kind of adjective is used here? Interrogative adjective. And in the interrogative adjective I have told you which, whose, what. These words generally comes in the interrogative adjective. And just here, so what would be the suitable interrogative adjective will be here? Which. Which house is yours? Okay students, in the blanks you will fill the word which, because the word which is used to ask the question. That is WH word. Which, what, and whose. These are the WH word. It means interrogative word. You can see that we generally use to ask the question. Okay, when do we use these words? To ask the question. In this sentence, someone is asking the question, what house is yours? Which house is yours? So what would be the suitable adjective in this sentence? Which. Okay, so dear students, you fill the word which in the first question, that is exercise number second. Okay, just write down. Come to the next question. Just see here, second question. There is a blank in the beginning, and horse is mine. Horse, yes, horse is mine. Okay students, this is the question. Here we are showing something. It seems that we are showing something, therefore we will use the demonstrative adjective. I have told you that in demonstrative adjective we show something, we point out something, and the word this, that, these, those, and such we use as a demonstrative adjective. Here we are using the word this to show the horse. This horse is mine. Okay, so what would be the suitable word in the blank? The word this we will fill in the blank. Okay students, just fill the word blank. Just fill the word this in the question number second of exercise number second. Okay, I hope that you all have understood. Question number third. He wants. He wants. there is blank money. Here he wants money, but we have to fill here the adjective. How much money? It is not mentioned, so we can write here some money. Okay, enough money, because here we will use the adjective of quantity to show the quantity of money. Okay, what would be the suitable? Sum. Just write down the sum. S-O-M-E. He wants some money. In the question number 3, you will fill the word sum. S-O-M-E. The word sum is adjective. What kind of adjective? Adjective of quantity. Okay. So student, just fill in the second blank, in the question number 3, the word sum. What would be the correct sentence? He wants some money. Okay student, just fill the word sum. Question number 4. Rakhi is going. Rakhi is going. Rakhi is going with mother. Okay student, this is the question. This is the sentence in which we have to fill the appropriate adjective, suitable adjective. Rakhi is going with her mother. Dear students, here the word her is possessive pronoun. Okay, possessive pronoun, but in your book it is not given, but I have told you that that is possessive pronoun. Okay, Rakhi is going with her mother. So in this question, in this sentence, in the sentence number 4, in the question number 4, you will fill the word her, H-E-R. Rakhi is going with her mother. Okay. Come to the next question. Question number 5. Just see, he add, this is the second form of verb is. Okay. He ate the, there is a blank, and after that it is written cake. C-A-K-E. Okay. Just see, here you have to fill the adjective of quality. So what would be the suitable word? He add the delicious. Okay, or you can say chocolate cake, or delicious. Just fill here delicious. Okay student, just fill here. He ate the delicious cake. He ate the delicious means swadisht. Okay, he ate the delicious cake. Okay students, just fill in the question number 5. He ate the delicious cake. You will fill the word delicious in the book. Okay. Next question, question number 6. Rohit is an. Rohit is an. There is a blank. Man. Okay student, this is the sentence. Rohit is an. What kind of man? Honest man. You have to fill the suitable adjective. So you will fill the word honest. Rohit is an honest man. Okay, the word honest is an adjective. What kind of adjective? Adjective of quality. Okay, and here we are using the word an because the pronunciation, that is vowel. Okay, the pronunciation of H is A. Therefore, we will use the article an. Rohit is an honest man. Okay, students, just fill in the question number 6 the word honest. So in this way we have completed the exercise number 2. In the first question, we will fill the word which. In the second question, we will fill the word this. In the third question, we will fill the word some. In the question number 4, we will fill the word her. In the question number 5, we will fill the word delicious. And in the question number 6, we will fill the word honest. Okay, students, in this way we have completed the exercise number 2nd. Now we will do the exercise number 3rd. What is this exercise number 3rd? Just see here. Just see here, students. Exercise number 3rd, what is? Complete the chart. There is chart, positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay, there is also blanks that you have to fill. Complete the chart with positive, comparative and superlative degree and follow the examples. Some example, first example is given here. Soft is positive degree, softer is comparative degree and superlative degree will be softest. Okay, students, while teaching the degree, I have taught you what is positive degree, what is comparative degree and what is superlative degree. In the positive degree, I have told you that there is no comparison at all. That is simply an adjective. That is the simplest form of adjective. Okay? In comparative degree, I have told you that there is comparison between two people or two objects. Here we compare one people or one thing with another people or another thing. Okay? And we use the word more sometimes. And sometimes we add er to the positive degree to make the comparative form. And we also use the word just after that, the word than, than. Okay, in the superlative degree, I have told you that in this degree, we compare one thing with more than two things. We compare one people with more than two peoples. Okay, and how do we form the superlative degree? By adding the word est to the positive degree. Suppose that soft is there, softest will be the superlative degree. Okay, and before the superlative degree we use the article the, the. Okay, you have written all the things in your notebook, you can see from there. Okay, if you have any kind of problem you can ask. Now we will discuss the exercises which is given in the exercise number 3rd. Okay, so I am going to erase this. Just see the next question, exercise number 3rd. There are 3 columns given, positive. Okay, first column is given positive degree, and second is comparative given. There is no need to write, it is already written in your book. And there is superlative degree, superlative. Okay, these 3 degree of comparison given in your exercise number 3rd. Dear students, some words are already given in the exercise number 1st. In question number 1st, we will see the word good already given. The word good is already given, and the best is already given. Okay, here you have to fill. And what would be the suitable word? Better. Good, better. What would be the comparative form? Better. So in this blank, in the question number 1st, in the comparative degree, in the column of comparative degree, we will fill the word better. Okay, which one? The word which I am writing with the blue marker, that you have to fill in your book. Okay, come to the question number 2nd. There is given bad. Okay, bad is given here. There is blank and there is also blank. So what would be the bad, worse, worst? W-O-R-S, worse is the comparative form, and worst, W-O-R-S-T. That is the superlative form. Okay, student, just fill it. Question number next. Question number third. In the first blank, there is nothing. There is not given the positive and comparative form. There is given the superlative form. Costliest. EST. Okay, it is given here costliest. CO. It is not visible because of some problem. I am writing with this green pen. Okay, costlier is given. COST EST. Costliest. Okay, it is already given. Costliest is already given. And here we have to fill the positive and comparative form. What would be the positive form? The positive form will be costly. COSTLY. Okay, that is the positive form. Just fill it. And what would be the comparative? Costlier. Sorry, there is some mistakes in this. Costliest. There will be L. Okay, costliest. And what would be the positive? Costly and costliest. Okay, costlier. In the question number third, students, you will fill the word costly, that is positive degree, and costlier, that is comparative degree, and superlative degree is already given in your book, that is costliest. Okay, so the thing which I am writing with the blue pen, that you will fill in your book. Next question, question number 4. The word ugly is already given. The word ugly is already given. UGLY. Ugly is already given. Okay. Here we have to fill the comparative and superlative form. So what would be the comparative? Uglier. Uglier. Okay. Just fill the word uglier. 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 Ugliest. 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 Okay. So in the question number 4, you will write the comparative form uglier and superlative form ugliest. And what is the positive form given already? Ugly. Okay. Come to the next question. Question number 5. Here you have to fill the positive form. Okay. Comparative is already given. Healthier. 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 Healthiest. You have to fill. Okay, students. Comparative form is given, and you have to make the positive form and superlative form. What would be the positive form? Healthy. HEALTHY. Okay, that is the positive form. And what would be the suitable superlative form? Healthiest. Okay, HEALTHIEST. Healthiest. Okay, healthy is the positive form. Healthier is the comparative form, that is already given in your book. No need to change anything. In the superlative form, you have to fill the healthiest. Okay, healthiest. Just fill it. Come to the next question, question number 6. What is question number 6, students? Just see here, question number 6. There is not given the positive and comparative form. There is given only superlative form in this question number 6. Smartest. Okay, just see here. SMARTEST. Smartest is given already. Okay, that is superlative degree, and you have to make the comparative as well as positive form. Okay, smart, SMART, that is positive degree. Okay, just fill here. And smarter, SMARTER. Smarter is the comparative form. Okay, comparative degree. Smart is positive degree, smarter is comparative degree, smartest is the superlative degree that is already given in your book. Okay, so you will fill the word smart and smarter. In the column of positive degree, you will fill the word smart. In the column of comparative degree, you will fill the word smarter. In the column of superlative degree already given, that is smartest. Okay, students? Come to the next question. Question number 7. Okay, students, I am going to erase these 2, 3. Okay, I hope that you have already written. You have written. Come to the next question. Question number 7. Let's see the question number 7. What is question number 7? Big. In the positive form, there is nothing given. Here in the comparative form, it is given. The comparative degree bigger is given. Okay. Now you have to make the positive and superlative form. Comparative form is given, students. You have to make the positive form. What would be the positive form? Big. Okay, big is the positive degree, bigger is the comparative degree, that is already given in your book. No need to write it. And what would be the suitable, appropriate, superlative degree? Biggest. Okay, biggest is the superlative degree. Okay. So in the question number 7, you will fill the word big. Bigger is already given in your book, no need to write. And in the category of superlative degree, you will fill the word biggest. Okay, students, come to the next question. Question number 8. What is question number 8? Let's see. Dry. The word dry is given. DRY. Okay, you have to fill what? The comparative form and superlative form. And what would be the positive form is given? Positive form is dry. And what would be the suitable comparative form? Drier. DRI. Okay, drier. That is the comparative form. Okay, drier. And what would be the superlative form? Driest. 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 Okay. Just see here, students. Dry is given. That is positive form. Okay, that is positive degree. And what would be the suitable, appropriate, comparative degree? Drier. And superlative degree? Driest. Okay, students. So just fill in the column of comparative degree, you will fill the word drier. In the column of superlative degree, you will fill the word driest. Okay, students. So there are 2 more questions that is left. That is your homework. Okay, exercise number 3rd. That is your homework. Exercise number 3rd. And question number 9 and 10. That is your homework. You will complete it by your own. Okay. In the next class, we will discuss the other exercises of the same chapter and other things. Okay, students. So that's all for today. Thank you.